Today, we aren't just manifesting a text or a casual date. We are commanding a lifetime covenant. You are about to step into your spiritual authority as the chosen one. By the end of this 5-minute journey, the person you love will feel an undeniable divine pull to choose you, not just for now, but for a lifetime. Before we begin, type, "I am the chosen spouse," in the comments right now to lock this energy into the physical realm. Now take a deep breath and exhale the anxiety of how and when. And visualize your person. See them looking at you, but notice the shifts in their eyes. The confusion is gone. The wandering has stopped. They see you as their home, their legacy, and their destiny. Feel the weight of a wedding ring on your finger. You are no longer waiting to be picked. You are recognizing that you are already theirs and they are already yours. Now repeat after me silently or out loud. I am the only one they see as their lifetime partner. Our union is divinely sanctioned and protected. They are choosing me with certainty and conviction today. I am the crown of their life and their greatest priority. Every day, they are more certain that I am their destined spouse. Our love is grounded in a lifetime covenant that cannot be broken. They are moving with urgency to make our union official in public. I walk in the favor of a healthy, blissful marriage. They find total peace and fulfillment in our exclusive connection. My energy is a magnetic force that pulls them into total commitment. They are divinely dissatisfied with any life that doesn't include me. We are building a legacy that will last for generations. They are removing every obstacle to be by my side forever. I am irreplaceable, undeniable, and unforgettable to them. Our names are written together in the book of life. They see me as the parent of their future children. They are proud to claim me before the world and their family. I receive the proposal, the ring, and the lifetime promise now. Every other distraction has faded. They only have eyes for me. Our connection is fortified by spiritual authority and divine love. They are obsessed with building a beautiful future solely with me. I am the answer to their deepest prayers for a life partner. They choose me for life. Our marriage is a beacon of light, stability, and power. They are clearing their path to walk beside me for eternity. I am the only one who holds the key to their heart and their home. Their loyalty to me is unwavering and divinely rooted. We are entering into a lifetime bond that is blessed from above. They recognize me as their good thing and their greatest blessing. Our wedding day is manifesting in the physical realm right now. It is done. The shift has occurred. You can feel it in the atmosphere. And to manifest this union even faster and remove any hidden blocks, visit joybyjanell.com immediately. I have tools there specifically designed to accelerate your lifetime bond. Don't leave your destiny to chance. Take the next step in your spiritual journey today. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.